Beautiful sight. It's gorgeous outside, Darren. Lovely for the balloons as they took off from the Royal Albert Hall. They're not hanging around much though, because there's still quite a fair breeze coming in from the west, so they'll be scooting off, I should think. But nice in other parts as well. Still some fine sunshine in Norwich. Still quite a gusty wind. Camera shaking around a bit. And as we head our way up into Leeds, unfortunately we've just caught a shower here, a bit gloomy at the moment, but really I think the clouds tending to break up a little bit more here through the afternoon. It'll tend to come and go, as you can see, a variable sort of mix of cloud and sunshine on the satellite picture. I think the exceptions to the fine weather are going to be the far north and also the southwest. Now here quite different conditions. There'll be rather grey skies, disappointing in parts of Cornwall with the odd splash of drizzle, and in more northern areas I think there will be some showers scattered around, especially in Northern Highland and also in Orkney, where there'll be a little bit of sleet or snow over the hills. And quite a contrast in temperature if you're out as well. Only 5 Celsius in Shetland with a chilly wind, but further south almost spring-like with highs of 14, possibly 15 degrees, so that's the high 50s Fahrenheit. Now, we saw the breeze earlier with Sue at the Royal Albert Hall, quite a brisk wind, and it'll continue to be with us through today, fading away tonight, allowing a little bit of a chilly night for a time. But then later in the night and during tomorrow, increasing southwest winds will bring in much, much milder air. So a change on the way in the next 24 hours. In fact, tonight, even though it'll be a bit chilly with some mist and fog patches in the east, it will be rather mild and murky for many western areas tonight with some rain or drizzle. I think most persistent across parts of western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it'll still be with us tomorrow. It doesn't look as though it'll be very pleasant in the west tomorrow. Most persistent rain, I think, for Scotland and Northern Ireland. That'll tend to sink its way southeastwards through the day. But some southeastern parts of Britain will escape with rather cloudy weather, but it should stay dry and reasonably mild. Then if you've got plans for the weekend, a bit of a mixed bag, it has to be said. Most of the rain would have cleared away and we'll be left with showery weather for Saturday. Quite a squeeze of winds and quite a cold day on Saturday as well, with temperatures in single figures for most of us. And that means there will be some hail or thunder in the showers, possibly a little bit of sleet and snow in the north as well. So a showery day, squally showers and gusty winds. But I think for Sunday, a little bit better for many southeastern areas. It'll be breezy, but it'll become a bit milder again, thankfully, with southwesterly winds. So 13 or 14 Celsius and the sunshine should feel quite pleasant here. But further north and west, the fronts will eventually come in, again bringing in freshening winds and more wet weather. So, as I said, a real mixed bag of weather as we head away into the weekend.